Environmental issues. Climate change is a global environmental problem. The use of fossil fuels and infantile energy consumption is the main reason of climate imbalance. Excessive amount of gases that results from the activity of hot power plant. Transportation industry pollutes the atmosphere. Okhtyrka is located on a plain near the Vorskla River. Many environmental problems arose from the reconstruction of the territorial park. For example, wetlands have arisen, plant cover has changed, natural landfills are a big environmental problem too, so the local river is contaminated with human waste. Sumy is the main city in the region, but it's more polluted too. The city's environmental problem arose from the work of industrial plants and utility companies. Kiev is the capital of Ukraine. This is a major cultural, historical and commercial center. Pollution by motor transport, change in the composition of the atmospheric air, noise pollution, emissions of chemicals into the atmosphere, pollution by toxic waste, the problem of waste characteristic of it. Northern Ukraine. The cities in this part of Ukraine are the most environmental friendly. Pollution emissions are immensely affected on cities' atmospheric. For example, the polluted pollutants in the atmosphere of Chernihiv did not exceed the limit values. Expect for the contents of nitrogen dioxide in July 2016. Southern Ukraine. More problems have arisen due to the direct dependence between the incident rate and the quality of the environment. Contaminated water in the region, pollution, man-made accident and UN plants pose a health threat. The presence of reservoirs and dams, the flow of river has led to many negative problems. Eutrophication, frostbite, temperature pollution and so on. Western Ukraine. The increasing number of cars in the street, factory waste, millions of cut down trees, destroyed habitats of animals, contaminated rivers led to environmental problems in Western Ukraine. The most anthropogenic changes occurred in the areas of functioning of chemical, oil and gas, mining energy, as well as landfills of industrial, military and industrial cities. Eastern Ukraine. The fighting in eastern Ukraine continues near dangerous cities now. It is a great concern to the international community as well, including a recent UN Security Council meeting. The Donbass is continued to be flooded with mines, contamination of soil with harmful substances, chemical pollution, destruction of infrastructure and industrial objects, which can lead to tragic consequences. Fighting the use of various weapons, the lack of environmental surveillance of objective reason are cause contamination of soil and water in the region.
Future generations are upon you. And if you choose to fail us, I say we will never forgive you. We will not let you get away with this. Right here, right now, is where we